The fashion industry has always been known for its glitz and glamour, with Hollywood's red carpet events being the epitome of high fashion. However, in recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on diversity and inclusivity in fashion, and this has been reflected on the red carpet. At one time, the red carpet was dominated by a narrow definition of beauty, with tall, thin, white models and actresses being the standard. However, in recent years, there has been a shift towards a more diverse representation of beauty on the red carpet. This has been driven by a desire for inclusivity and representation of all types of beauty, regardless of race, body type, or age. One of the most notable examples of this trend was the 2018 Oscars, where actresses Lupita Nyong'o, Danai Gurira, and Tiffany Haddish all wore traditional African-inspired clothing on the red carpet. This was a powerful statement of inclusivity and representation, and helped to showcase the diversity of beauty that exists in the world. In addition to a more diverse representation of beauty, there has also been a growing emphasis on diversity in fashion styles on the red carpet. In the past, there was a tendency for actresses to conform to a narrow definition of high fashion, with traditional ball gowns and floor-length dresses being the norm. However, in recent years, there has been a growing trend towards more diverse and unconventional fashion styles on the red carpet. One of the most notable examples of this trend was the 2019 Met Gala, where the theme was Camp, Notes on Fashion. This theme encouraged celebrities to showcase their most creative and extravagant fashion styles, and the result was a diverse range of fashion styles, from Lady Gaga's 4 outfit changes to Billy Porter's iconic tuxedo gown. The rise of social media has also played a significant role in the trend towards diversity in fashion styles on the red carpet. With millions of people watching and commenting on red carpet events on social media, there is now a greater pressure on celebrities to showcase their individuality and creativity through their fashion choices. Another important trend in red carpet fashion is the rise of sustainable and ethical fashion. Many celebrities are now using their platform to promote sustainable and ethical fashion brands, and are making conscious choices to wear clothing that is environmentally friendly and ethically produced. This trend is being driven by a growing awareness of the impact that fashion has on the environment, and a desire to make a positive change. Another important aspect of the trend towards diversity in fashion styles on the red carpet is the influence of cultural representation. In recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on the representation of diverse cultural identities and traditions on the red carpet. This has been driven by a desire for inclusivity and representation of all cultures and backgrounds. One of the most notable examples of this trend was the 2021 Met Gala, where the theme was In America, a lexicon of fashion. This theme encouraged celebrities to showcase their unique cultural identities through their fashion choices, and the result was a diverse range of styles that reflected the richness and diversity of American culture. In addition to cultural representation, there has also been a growing trend towards gender-neutral and non-binary fashion styles on the red carpet. Many celebrities are now embracing gender-neutral clothing and breaking down traditional gender norms in fashion. This trend is being driven by a desire to promote inclusivity and representation of all gender identities. One of the most notable examples of this trend was the 2020 Oscars, where actor Billy Porter made a statement by wearing a custom tuxedo gown on the red carpet. This gender-bending fashion choice challenged traditional gender norms in fashion and helped to promote a more inclusive and accepting attitude towards gender identity. The trend towards diversity